Hello students and welcome to Toppscholars. Today we'll be learning about another very simple and interesting topic, that is classification and its need. Now students, classification is basically a system of arranging all the living organisms into groups based upon similarities and differences. Take a look at these two images. What you see on the left are a group of cats which belong to the class Mammalia, whereas to the right we have a group of turtles which belong to the class Reptilia. As you can see, there are many differences between them, and these differences help us to classify these two different organisms into two different groups. But if you study them closely, you will also find that they do have many similarities. For example, they all have 4 limbs, they all have 2 eyes, and so on and so forth. So, these similarities and differences help us to arrange living organisms into different groups. Moving on, also students, all living things are broadly classified into plants and animals. Further, these plants and animals are divided into various groups or divisions or classes based upon similar characteristics. For example, like a basic example of classification in plants will be on the base of their size. Trees are big, shrubs are comparatively smaller, and herbs are even smaller. So similarly, in case of animals, we can classify them as mammals, then we have reptiles, or we have birds, etc. Moving on, students, all organisms with similar characters are then kept into one single group.
To learn more about this topic, download Toppscholars app.